Welcome to the daily review from KASM Capital, the US market, Euro versus the US dollar, the movement in Bitcoin as well as trends in oil and gold, as given by the founder and director Dr. Mann.
Good morning. We are back for more this week with the review of the markets, the movements in the US dollar and Bitcoin, as well as the trends in oil and gold. It's been a bit of a slow start to the week. The markets are facing an uncertain future. There is talk of the rate cuts, however, the needle has to move further towards um, reduced inflation and reduced job numbers before the Fed is actually going to announce it at the end of September. This is the month, the crucial month for rate cuts. So let's see what comes out of that. And the most crucial data point that is going to come out is going to be the one at the end of this week when the job numbers come out. My prediction for that is that the job numbers are not going to be as bad as the markets expect it to be. The numbers are going to be pretty steady, and as a result, the uncertainty will persist. However, it seems that the Fed has made up its mind about a rate cut, even though they're not saying that. So I feel that a rate cut will be coming at the end of this month. Even if the job numbers do not drop, as long as the inflation does not begin to spike or go beyond the inflation expectations. And because the markets are facing an uncertain future, oil and gold and the US dollar, all three seem to be on the rise. More so gold and the US dollar, um, less so for oil. But I've noticed that when the markets opened last night, oil has been rising since then, um, which could be because of the fact that the Russia-Ukraine peace process remains uncertain. Uh, Bitcoin has bounced off its support level, like we said. It dropped to 107,500 and then it has bounced up back up to 110,000. It's hovering around that mark at this point. Um, so therefore, markets are going to be moving more sideways, facing an uncertain future. And whenever that happens, gold and the US dollar start to rise, and that is exactly what's happening. So let's see how things take shape during this week, and we will keep you posted for more.